Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 4 of our video series in which we are learning food related terms in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 3 parts yet, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So now let's start with the 4th part. First one is the Korean word for peach, and that is 복숭아. 복숭아. Okay, now let's see how to say red pepper in Korean language, and that is 고추. 고추. Next comes the Korean word for papaya, and that is papaya. Papaya. Now let's see how to say ginseng in Korean language, and that is insam. Insam. Next comes the Korean word for dragon fruit, and that is 영과. 영과. Next, let's see how to say avocado in Korean language, and that is avocado. Avocado. Now let's see how to say eggplant in Korean language, and that is 가지. 가지. Next comes the Korean word for apricot, and that is 살구. 살구. Next, let's see how to say pineapple in Korean language, and that is pineapple. Pineapple. And the last one is the Korean word for turnip, and that is sunmu. Sunmu. So, today we learned 10 food related terms, or you can say words for various vegetables and fruits in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.